Hello everybody, welcome to Baby and Hugs, a one-stop guide for parenting. Our children up to 2 years of age grow at an amazing speed. We never get to know that how they have passed to different stages of development because each milestone or each stage which they cross is an indicator that the child is growing. So before getting into the details of the different milestones which the child achieves, I have shared a small free downloadable PDF in the description where you can click on the link and download it for free, which has the different milestones which the child achieves from 0 to up to 1 year of age. The different milestones of the children I have categorized into social and the communication, that is the how they communicate with the child, how they are able to establish a good communication with the environment, with the parents, but that one, and also cognitive and physical, that is how they are able to develop physically and also mentally. So these are the two categories which I will discuss based on different months, that is from 0 to 3 months, 3 to 6, 6 to 9 and 9 to 12 months, that is up to 1 year. So beginning with the developmental milestones from 0 to 3 months are some of the social and communicable, how it tries to communicate within 3 months of age. These are developmental milestone which maybe to some extent the baby should start smiling looking at you, because it actually starts identifying the parent, and also it tries to make few of these sounds when identifying the parents, like ooh, ah, ooh. Calm itself when it is frustrated or tired basically, or it wants something, it starts taking its thumb and putting in the mouth and starts sucking it. That is a self-soothing technique for the baby. And also it is able to communicate through sound, that is whenever it hears a sound it turns its head towards this sound. And one of the ways it tries to communicate is by crying, because it does not have any other way of communication. Crying is a sort of communication. The next, coming to the cognitive or the physical developmental, which it has attained by it should have attained by 3 months, are it starts paying attention to the faces, and whenever it becomes fussy or it's tired, it's changes its different expressions of the face through frowning like this, and then crying. And it's we are able to, a parent will be able to gauge the difference that something is wrong with the baby by looking at the face. And also the hand eye coordination, starts, that is it is able to by seeing the object it is able to reach for the toy, or it's able to reach for something which is bright in colors, usually because children usually identify bright colors, it's able to reach for the toy. That is hand eye coordination starts. And also by this time it should be able to, since if at all you start giving tummy time for it, you will be able to see that it is able to lift its head and maybe hold the head by now. And also sometimes it throws its hands and legs in the air, and it starts to make smoother movements, not exactly, but starts trying to make. And also it brings the hands towards to the mouth. As I told, it's a self-soothing technique. So these are some of the baby milestones which it should have attained by 0 to 3 months. Not necessarily, it depends on child to. Next, coming to the developmental milestones from 3 to 6 months of age are some of the social and communication milestones which the baby attains are it starts to smile at different people and starts to recognize strangers and smiles at different, basically it recognizes human beings. And by this time it's able to look at the mirror and enjoy its own picture. It starts smiling at itself when looking at the mirror. And also it usually likes to play with the parents. It's usually wants its parents to be around it. And it usually this is the time when the baby is able to recognize its own name, and whenever you call its name it's able to turn towards that sound, and it starts to make different sounds like ah, ee, ooh, and starts blabbering, which is a face which we usually enjoy. And also it shows joy. It's usually very happy and joyful in this period of time. Some of the cognitive or physical milestones which the baby will be able to bring in are, it starts bringing things towards the mouth. It gets curious for different things available all around it. So it starts to go and grab everything. That this is where you'll have to be very careful, things away from the baby. It starts to take things from grab things from one hand. It is able to change it to another hand. That's activity. Another major milestone which it attains, it sits without support. It's able to sit without support. It is able to stand without support, although not steadily, but at least stand with support, not steadily, but with support. It'll try to manage. It's not able to keep the legs firmly on the floor, but it will be able to manage. And also sometimes it even stalls, tries to crawl, not crawl by four legs, but at least by moving on its tummy. This it will be able to do. These are the milestones which the child will have to attain by 3 to 6 months. But as I told before, each child is different. Don't expect anything to happen with the same pace. Coming to the milestones which the baby should have achieved from 6 to 9 months of age are, it starts to have its favorite, that is favorite toys, favorite human beings, that is usually the parents, because they are more recognizable and understandable. They start getting afraid of the strangers. They start understanding the words about no. When you tell them when you tell them not to do something, don't do this, don't do that, by just nodding of your head or showing your fingers, it starts to understand the meaning of it. And it also starts few of the monosyllables like mama, baba. It is able to tell that. And also it starts its hand-eye coordination is more precise now. It's able to point fingers at something and tell that it wants this, it wants that. It's able to do that. And some of the cognitive and physical developmental milestones which we can notice are, it tries to copy you in everything, and whatever you do, it's able to do that. And also it is able to play the famous peekaboo game, that is hide and seek. You are go and hide something and it will come and find you. It is not only with you, it can also find things which you hide, meaning you show it something and keep it somewhere, and then take the baby out for some time and ask it to go get it where it is. It has the capacity to go and get it from that place. And also the main grip which indicates their future learning capacities are the pincer grip. The pincer grip is nothing but the grip which the baby has between the index and the thumb finger. It's able to hold. Say for example, when you give the child a cereal or a cornflakes or a chocos, it is able to pick it up with two fingers. This is nothing but the pincer grip. This is where it's useful. By this time, it's able to stand comfortably. And it's able to sit without support, and also it starts crawling very fast. Every child will have the same developmental milestone. It depends on so lastly, coming to the major milestone, that is 9 to 12 months, that is by the time your child's first birthday arrives, he should be able to do all this. Maybe not everything, at least 70% of this the child should be able to do. So some of the social and communication skills which the baby will be able to do is it starts developing emotions like shy, nervousness, crying, happy, sad. It starts fearing towards strangers. It usually does not go by this time. It knows who is our parents, who is a known person and who is an unknown person. And also it grabs your attention by doing the things, and it starts to grab attention by doing the things again and again. That it likes your appreciation. And also by this time it will help you getting dressed. That is, wherever you want to put them a t-shirt, it will raise its hand, or it will give you the hands or the legs. The same thing happens. And by chance you request something like go and get that, go and get this, keep it there, keep it that, it will be able to follow your requests and do according to the same. And it can do few of the actions like no, bye bye. Such actions it will be able to do by this time. And also the monosyllables which I told before, like mama, baba, tata, tata, such things, by this time it will be able to do it very clearly. And some of the cognitive or physical development which it should be able to do is it is able to identify the picture by their name. That is, like A for apple. You tell an apple, it will be able to recognize that it is a red thing, and that is called an apple. Through the picture, the child will be able to identify the picture by their name. And it also, as I told before, it tries copying all your activities, and it will be able to play the thing where they put each toy one upon the other, and also taking and removing it again, keeping the glass that is stacking and also removing it to be able to do that. It can sit and stand without support, and also it will be able to walk comfortably by holding the sofa or the table, or by holding your hands it can walk comfortably. And also sometimes a few children will be able to take a few steps ahead without holding also. So these are the milestones which the child should be able to do follow by up to 1 year. But don't, as I told before, each child is different. Don't expect anything to be a miracle and go and be very stubborn. No, my child is not developed this. No, don't be worried about it. Each child is different. There are children who have started walking and talking only when they were 1.5 or 2 years. So here is a last takeaway which I would like to tell each parent. Why these milestones are important is that these gives us clues if the child is not able to achieve a certain milestone, as this give clues about when a child is not achieve a certain milestone, it is better to get this to the notice of your pediatrician, because there could be learning disabilities or developmental disabilities. There are potential delays in their achieving the milestone. But if so recognized at an early age, and if your pediatrician firmly believes that this has to be rectified at an early stage, he will be the best person to suggest. But seeing your child attain all their milestones gives you another level of happiness. So happy parenting. And if you like more such content, please follow me on Instagram, where I share more details and also my personal stories, where I'm more active. And also, if you like this content on my YouTube channel and want to see more such informative videos, please don't forget to comment what you would like to see in future. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye.